Okay guys, this is the part 2 of our shout out. Okay, first shout out is Montazor collection. This is our video. Okay. We'll share one video for Mr. Montazor collection. This one. Just copy the link, then share it to my community. That's it. Copy and then paste and then post. Then after a while, after seconds, okay, the video was posted. This one. I will put the cell phone. Okay, the subject one. Tara, here's the video of Montasa. Yan. Nagsishake yung phone. Okay. Next shout out is Carl Heinz lang. Okay. This is his channel. This is a video of Mr. Heinz lang. We will share one video. This one. Copy and paste. Copy. And go to the community. Then paste it. Paste. Post. Okay. And there you go. The video of Mr. Heinz Lang was posted on my community, so everybody can check his video and support. It's muna. Mm. 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 So sweet dessert, very sweet. Diabetes is living. Okay. Next is Odolp Oil Studio. Shout out. Kita tong video ito nakakaaliw. Ito daw. So I will share this video. Copy and then paste. Okay. Yan, share ko na. So next is Caballero. Caballero item. So let's share his latest video. This one. Copy, then paste. Okay, let's wait guys. Naglo-loading pa. Still on process on naglo-loading pa siya. Okay, post. Okay, here we go. Now it was shared to my communities. Next is Natalie Jern. Okay. We will select one video. This one. Mm-hmm. Posted. And here you go. Na-post ko na sa ating community. So, kikita na yan ng subscriber ko. Okay. Next. I will eat sa persa. Okay. Let's eat. Yan. Oops. What happened to the... Okay. Yan. Mm. Lubat yata. Okay. Next is build your blog. Let's share one of his hair video. Okay. Sharing is caring. Loving. Choose it out sa lahat. Naglubat yata ako. Nagdidim ang paningin ng cellphone. Okay, that's your video. Next is according to Jeff. Let's share the latest video. Shout out Jeff. Let's share Jeff's Jeff video. Okay. Let's wait for seconds lang. Okay, that's it. Jeff's video was shared. So thanks for watching, guys.